How to cancel your Adobe subscription. Now, if you initiated and did the payment of subscription via your mobile phone, then you can definitely cancel it in no time. All you have to do is just to access your Google Play Store account and make sure that you're logged in to that account wherever you have executed the subscription on Adobe. Now to do so, just head over to your current profile picture right there. Just simply tap on that and then go directly to payments and subscription. In here, you should be able to see four options: payment method, subscriptions, budget, and history, and then as well as redeem code. Now, if you head over directly to subscriptions, this is where all the certain platforms or application you downloaded and subscribed to it that is still active and that is still expired. So what you can do from here is just choose the Adobe that you would like to be canceled and just simply choose on unsubscribe or delete. So that's it. That's how you cancel your Adobe subscription.